Hey guys, this is A for iOS Hacker. Hey Siri isn't working on your iPhone 17 or you haven't set it up before. In this guide, we will show you exactly how to turn it on in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone 17 and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. On the next page, tap on Talk to Siri option. Here, select Siri or Hey Siri. You can also select Hey Siri option if you don't want Siri to react to when you say the word Siri. Now follow the on-screen instructions and set up Hey Siri by saying the phrases shown on your iPhone screen. This includes things like Hey Siri, how's the weather? This helps your iPhone recognize your voice accurately. Once setup is complete, tap on Done. Now test if Hey Siri is working fine on your iPhone. For this, lock your iPhone or place it on a table and say Hey Siri. If it responds, it's working perfectly. If Hey Siri isn't working on your iPhone, here are a few quick fixes that can help. Make sure low power mode is turned off. Check that your microphone isn't blocked and ensure Allow Siri when locked is enabled in Siri settings. And that's how you turn on Hey Siri on iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.